Ask yourself if you're ready to switch the flip to become a better trader. If so, we are happy to help you. Hello, my name is Christian, Chief Operating Officer at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. We are your personal trading coach. We have coded unique trading strategies for intraday trading, the DAX, the Dow Jones, the gold and Forex market. TradersClub24, we are an established education company when it comes to stock exchange and Forex trading. Along with me, there's a team of 20 people located here in Hamburg. We have over 2,000 club members and we are running our business for over 12 years. So when it comes to trading, it's all about having a working community. So you're not alone as a trader, but with our help, we'll make you a better one. Unlike other trading coaches, we are not just talking about the markets, but we are executing the live trading signals on our real money accounts. Every morning from 8:45 till noon, I'm trading the European market opening, specifically the DAX, the Euro dollar and the FTSE. In the afternoon, it's the turn of my colleague Maurice. He's trading the US market opening from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. European time every day. Don't just copy any trades from guys you don't know. Could be Snoopy 123. Do you know what his risk setting is? Probably not. But with our help, with our unique trading tools, with our live trading room in which, again, we execute our live signals on a daily basis, you can learn step by step how to become a successful trader. Ask yourself if you're ready to switch the flip to become a better trader. If so, we are happy to help you. Activate your 30-day free trial and join us in our daily live trading room. Down here, there's the link, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye-bye.